Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your account or profile on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this profile button in the right side corner of the screen down below and tap on the edit profile button in the middle of the screen on the left side. Then you should type in your name into this box. Then you can edit your username. As you scroll down, you can type in your job. You can type in your country. And you can also write a few words about yourself as an introduction. So type in your bio, and when you are done, click on the done button at the top. To save all this information, click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen and you will be able to see all of the information here at the top. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.